This simple guide will show you how to enable biometrics on Trading 212, making your experience smoother and more secure. Whether you prefer using Face ID or a fingerprint, this feature will allow you to unlock your app faster without having to type in your passcode every time. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to open the Trading 212 app on your device. Once it's open, head straight to the main menu. Now, if you're wondering where to find the main menu, it's usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or a similar icon, typically found at one of the corners of your screen. This is your gateway to accessing all the app's features and settings. Once you're in the main menu, the next step is to tap on Settings. By doing this, you'll open up a list of options that allow you to customize your app experience. It's like the control center for your app, where you can tweak various preferences to suit your needs. Now, within the Settings menu, you'll want to scroll down until you see the option labeled Privacy and Security. This section is crucial, as it contains all the settings related to protecting your account and personal information. It's always a good idea to periodically check this section to make sure everything is up to date and secure. After selecting Privacy and Security, the next step is to tap on Passcode Lock. This is where you'll be able to manage how you secure your app. The Passcode Lock feature is essential for ensuring that only you have access to your trading account, adding an extra layer of security. Once you're in the Passcode Lock settings, you'll see an option to turn on biometrics. Go ahead and toggle this option on. Enabling biometrics is a great way to streamline your login process while maintaining security. It's an efficient and secure method, allowing you to use your unique biological traits, like your face or fingerprint, to access the app. To finalize this change, you'll need to enter your passcode. This step is necessary to confirm that you're the one making these changes and to ensure that your security settings are being altered by you and no one else. Once you've entered your passcode, the biometrics feature will be enabled. And there you have it. With biometrics now enabled, you can enjoy the convenience of unlocking Trading 212 with just a glance or a touch. This not only saves you time, but also keeps your account secure. Remember, keeping your app updated and using features like biometrics can significantly enhance your trading experience by combining ease of access with top-notch security. Thanks for watching and happy trading.